Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now clearly, the administration is feeling the frustration of the Jamaican citizens as the Prime Minister is now asking for more time. And now it is as if even supporters of the administration, supporters of the party in power now, are saying that they want a better Jamaica. So much so that I'm not going to the Prime Minister have say, and what Jamaicans overseas are saying in regards to the Prime Minister's term in office and what the administration has done for the country thus far. I'm going to one. You can listen.
I understand your concerns. I hear your voice, and your voice matters, particularly when you have been waiting for decades for change and improvement. But your government is responding to you. At the same time, we must be cautious that we don't make the same mistakes that we have made in the past. Each of us should learn from our past experience and make every effort not to repeat them. A government is no different. Jamaica made many significant errors in the past with very poor policy choices, and our people paid dearly for them. We will not do the same. Things are happening in your country, good things. Things that weren't possible 7 years ago, but are possible today. Choose hope, choose positivity. Let us be inspired by our reggae girls, who despite resource challenges, have showed what commitment, a positive attitude, and perseverance can achieve. Take advantage of the skills training being offered by the Heart NSTA free of cost. Take advantage of the grants offered by the Students' Loans Bureau. Take advantage of the scholarship programs being
Now clearly, Jamaicans are just fed up with what is taking place government-wise. Police officers are fed up. So I'm to the Federation, Police Federation boss. Now, FLA workers have decided to take industrial action over the same issues where the Police Federation boss has attacked the government about. But clearly, the meetings are just removing him would have put a stop to the requests being made by civil servants, members of the security forces. It was not so. And now they have taken industrial action. The reggae girls, yes, of course, congratulations to the reggae girls, as them continue to make the country proud. But they've also had to expose the government and what takes place within the government itself. Sporting athletes or sporting stars, I want the country to do well now. Athletics bring highlight to the country. The state used that for market and promote numerous things. Hence why as soon as an athlete does something well internationally, the press is there. As soon as they reach back a yard and members of the government is there to shake them hand and take picture with them. But aside from that, there's little to no support. And Sidela Marley, which I think is the daughter, the granddaughter of Bob Marley, can tell you what going on. Only by time it is rumored that she have to go in her own pocket. And the state knows say the reggae girls are perform extremely well. Them deserve the support from the state. But some would say keep in mind, they never really care about Bolt until Bolt make history. And then after Bolt stop run, as we can see, would even what take place with SSL, what the state did there for the fastest man in the world. The man where anytime the government call them for some type of endorsement and I say show up at this place, normally we see him. When the whole situation take place at SSL, we don't send no ministers by his side. I say, oh, we are gonna make sure so them look into this. This is a good person. Ray. There was no statements like that. It was business as usual for the state. As a matter of fact, the state step in and take over SSL. And it was then now the job of the bosses to see how them can quietly get back for them assets out of the company and carry on with them lives. We not see the state support for Bolt. Not saying never get the private calls, so I'm not choose to talk to nobody about her, I'm not choose to share with the media, but even publicly, Nothing was said. Seems like the company was more connected than both. And some people are just simply saying the state is still not focusing on the matters at hand, the things that are of more importance. The economy is talked about, but only when they matter about tax and the money where they borrow, or if there has been any growth in the economy. There's no talk on how we can continue said growth or help citizens to benefit from the economy so that they can also continue to contribute to the economy. Because as much as the economy is talked about, the average citizen understand it. That's why you have courses in college. You teach people this. And that's something you cannot readily understand. It is man-made. The economy is not natural. And the average citizen already know it works. But the state should be focusing on how we can continue the growth of the economy with the resources we have. And we're not just talking about the natural resources. And yeah, we can say natural resources because we're talking about the population itself, or entrepreneurs, or hardworking citizens, or visionaries. Them play a key role. How much hotel we're going to build? How much hotel can these, or how much employees can these hotels employ? We have to think about it on a grand scale. There are too much other or numerous industries, even within the same tourism aspect, where the state can invest in. And sometimes investment from the state is not even monetary. It can be just the right laws and policies to facilitate the growth of these industries, which can then later be taxed, which then do what? Improve the economy. But we're not supposed to teach social economics to people in office, to people who have been tasked with these things. We're not supposed to teach this to people in the Ministry of Finance. Them in the Ministry of Finance, they all don't know too much of this links thing. Because clearly, we have some people in some key sectors we don't know what them are do. Clearly, even with roadworks. Once upon a time, most councillors and MPs and elected officials used to campaign with this road, especially councillors and MPs for rural constituencies. Road, promises of road. Roads for everybody, roads to nowhere. But even within that, we could have say where the people don't know what them do. For St. Thomas, we said them have to change the contractor. After them did it for how long? Now the state has stepped in and said the government are going to do it. And if the government could have do it, why the government didn't do it? Why was it the EMFA outsourced these things? With the road being major issues, you think the government would have all the equipment needed, and the most of them that ask for operators of these needed equipment, seeing that road was something where they used to use on the campaign trail. But nevertheless, the state is asking for the citizens to hold on, give them some more time, so that they can show them that they have the best interest of the country in mind. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, pass through, subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. As I'm say, the comment section will be 24/7 and it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now to the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love, and prosper. And also for to stay tuned. Now a quick recap. The administration, the Prime Minister more specifically, has made a statement saying that the administration sees the frustration of the people, but they're asking for more time, as they still believe they are the better administration and the best party. to lead the country forward. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And to the reason again, my sentiments for you and Jersey, if you want to live, love and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.